When I was young, I'd sit outside all night long and watch the lights of the big trucks on the highway rolling on. I'd wish that I was in a car, driving fast, driving far, and at 17, that's exactly what I'd done. And to this day, I don't know why I'm restless. I guess some hearts are simply born to run. Big dreams, high hopes, they have led me through the hard times like a North Star shining, showing me where to go. They would got this whole thing started. They would keep this cowboy riding down the road. Big dreams, high hopes. I'm older and a little wiser now. The wide-eyed boy who set out to change the world is gone but not forgotten. I still chase lights and wish on stars. That's what got that boy this far, and it still feels good. There ain't no point in stopping. And even though I hardly ever catch 'em, God, don't it just feel good to try? Big dreams, high hopes, they have led me through the hard times like a North Star shining, showing me where to go. They would got this whole thing started. They would keep this cowboy riding down the road. Big dreams, high hope. We're all out here trying to be happy. To be happy, all you really need is big dreams, high hopes. They have led me through the hard times like a North Star shining, showing me where to go. They would got this whole thing started. They would keep this cowboy riding down the road. Big dreams and high hopes. Big dreams, high hopes.
Dalai Lamas, another sister shooting hair on Damaris, amputees and free time Sierra Leone's. The church wasn't honest. The state put the youth in a harness, creating hostility among us. The teacher said no college, still kid gotta get a check with a couple commas. People wanna bomb us, more people gotta scatter and run from us. Blame it on Zeus and Apollo and Adonis. But what you done here is put yourself between a bullet and a target, and it won't be long before you pulling your yourself away. What you done here is put yourself between a bullet and a target, and it won't be long before you pulling yourself away. I've been knowing her for years, I've been seeing her for years. She got a dark, dark wavy hair with a voice that you just don't care. She got a skirt with another top. She got a daddy never gave her. She drink a beer with her mom to die. She got knocked up in a pickup truck. She got engaged when she was 19 to this dude who was acting insane. Had a 45 that he always claimed. She said one day, one too many days. Now we flopped and she ran away, never to be heard from, never to be seen. I took a cover of a magazine. I'm just wondering how, what you done is put yourself between a bullet and a target, and it won't be long before you putting yourself away. What you done here is put yourself between a bullet and a target, and it won't be long before you putting yourself away. What you done here is put yourself between a bullet and a target, and it won't be long before you putting yourself away. What you done is put yourself between a bullet and a target, and it won't be long before you pulling yourself away. A bullet and a target, a bullet and a target, a bullet and a target, a bullet and a target. Target, a bullet and a bullet and a target, a bullet and a bullet and a.
Pregnant from a kid named Tom. Said he